Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope you are doing great. Today we're making an easy pattern, which is a headscarf again using the C2C crochet pattern. It's very easy to do. I'll put the link in the description box for other C2C project I have done, and I have posted videos. So for this one you need to use I have used cotton yarn again from Naco black, and I have used 4mm crochet hook. So without further ado, we'll get started. So to start with, what I'm gonna do is a magic loop, and then I'll chain 6. On the 4th chain from the hook, I'll make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the next 2 chains. Now I'll turn my work and chain 6 again. And I'll repeat the same process. So 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now, as you can see, I'll join with a slip stitch, and I'll chain 3 and add 3 double crochet in the space. Now again I'll turn and I'll repeat again, chain 6, 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Again, I'll join with a slip stitch onto the next square. I'll chain 3 and add 3 double crochet in the space and do the same into the next square. So basically what you need to know is, once you reach the corner, you'll turn, chain 6 and do 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. When it comes to joining the square, you will slip stitch and chain 3 and add 3 double crochet in the space. Follow the written pattern for a detailed explanation and follow the video as well. So I have done total of 21 rows to achieve this length of the headscarf. To block the squares, we need to slip stitch twice. The spaces between the squares, we need to do 3 double crochet, then slip stitch in the next square, and continue the same 3 double crochet, slip stitch until the end of this row. And it depends on you how big or small you want it. Now we need to make the straps. I'll chain 50. And then from the second chain from the hook, I'll slip stitch. I'll slip stitch till I'm back to my headscarf or the triangle, and from there I'll do 1 single crochet throughout till I reach the next corner. And what I'll do again is chain 50 and slip stitch again. So at the end, once I'm done with the slip stitch, I'll fasten off. It's as simple as that. This headscarf is very easy to achieve, especially if you like the C2C pattern, and it's very quick as well. Within 1 hour you can make it. So I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.